Hi, fourth graders. So I cannot believe that we are almost starting our summer vacation, and you are so close to finishing these historical fiction narratives. Before we finish, though, we need to make sure that we've revised and edited our stories so that they are as strong as they can possibly be. Today, I just want to remind you that when you are revising and editing your story, you want to make sure that you read it through with those different lenses we've been talking about. You want to ask yourself, has the real issue I wanted to address been made visible? Did I really talk about what my issue is in that time period? Do I have a good balance between actions, thoughts, and dialogue? Read through again with that lens. Make sure, is it just all talking? Because I probably need to put some description in there. Or is it just all action? Because I probably need to have some conversations. After you do that, I want you to go back again and look, does my lead and my ending really connect to the story and bring it full circle? Did I really hook my reader in? And did I really end my story in a way that makes my reader feel like my story is finished? Once you do that, you're going to double check for edits. And I want you to double check for any spelling errors, any proper nouns that need to be capitalized, proper punctuation. Remember, dialogue counts. Any fragmented sentences or sentences that don't seem finished, or run-on sentences, sentences that seem way too long. So we have a job to do today. Tomorrow, these stories are done. So spend your time really taking it through, with reading these with these different lenses and revising and editing your story so that is the best piece to show our fifth grade teachers. All right, let's get started.